Here at VCG Construction, we're all about bringing you the newest tools so that tradespeople can get their job done faster, more effectively. That means that you can put more food on your table, more money in your pocket. That's why in this video, we're bringing you the top 2 new Ridgid tools for pipe fitters.
There's no heat in that, and it is clean and ready to be beveled.
That is crazy.
And that's how fast you can got a piece of 6-inch, get 40 steel pipe. That's nuts. And just take it off. There's a little button right here. You can just pull it off the.
You know what?
And move to the next one.
There's so many thoughtful features though built in.
Oh yeah, it is an amazing tool. There's no better way to cut a piece of big pipe. There's another clamp like this that will actually go to 12-inch.
Okay.
So you can cut all the way to 12-inch pipe. If you put a diamond blade on it, you can cut cast iron.
Okay.
So that makes it really nice because cutting cast iron is never an easy thing.
Right.
So doing that with that the same way, yeah.
I mean, even with the help of marking them off, just everything to the littlest things to the biggest things to speed you up.
Yeah, it has it quick. So if you have like a 4-inch piece of pipe, so you can button here, you can pull it up right there, then 2 turns, boom, you're ready to cut.
That's amazing.
So it is built like a tank. That is a worm drive saw motor, so as long as you keep oil in that reservoir, that motor will never fly.
You know what the best part is? So it's worm drive, right? It's corded. There's only a couple of things that ever could go wrong with it. You don't have to worry about circuit boards breaking.
Nope.
You know, it can only be either the cord, the trigger, the lube, or the brushes.
And the nice thing is too, it's just a regular 8-inch carbide tip blade. There's nothing special about it.
Gotcha.
So you don't have to worry about whether or not you can get a blade. It's easy to get a blade.
It's smart. The magic happens here and in here, in the house. That's where all the magic happens.
Yes, it's a really nice setup. There's it's just regular 42 tooth carbide tip metal cutting blade on there.
How do we bevel
We have
this pipe so that we can make a clean weld, a strong weld? What do we have?
Well, we got our B500 bevel. Now it's been out for a while, but it's such a neat tool, and some people haven't seen it. We're going to go ahead and bevel this pipe and get that done.
It's an oldie, but it's a goodie.
This one, you can put 3 different heads on it for 3 different size angles on your bevel.
Okay.
45, 37.5, and 30. It has your 6 4-sided carbide inserts on there that are just, you can rotate for 4 sides as they wear out, so you can keep going as you need to. Really simple.
I would ask if there's a micro adjustment as well as your macro adjustment button.
Well, no, really. This is all there is. You just crank it down.
Gotcha.
I had it spread all the way open because it actually will do, you can do a flat plate with it.
Okay.
Or an I-beam if you wanted to.
Really? I like to see that. I would love to see it, but
yeah, that.
I know. We don't have that.
To do both of those, you would just open them up all the way and then crank it down. There is 4-inch is the smallest pipe it'll do.
Yeah.
There is no size limit going up.
Gotcha.
So if you wanted to do a 60-inch pipe, you can do a 60-inch pipe.
You can do it.
Yeah. Yep, absolutely. There is no limit that way.
I really want to see this big time because think about the alternative. You'd have to have somebody. Generally, what they'll do is handheld grinder and bevel the pipe by hand.
Yep.
It's not. I know a lot of people are going to be offended when I say this. It's not as consistent as a bevel, probably.
Nope.
And it's not going to be nearly as fast.
No, it is not. That is for sure. I can guarantee you it's not going to be as fast.
So if it's not as consistent, the weld's not going to be nearly as strong. And if it's not as fast, you're making less money. I don't know.
Yeah. So back here we have a speed gauge, red, yellow, and green. So you know when you're cranking this where you're at on there. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. We're going to crank this down.
That was awesome.
We just beveled that piece of pipe, and
Look
you
at
could
that.
send that to your welder, have him go ahead and weld that pipe up.
Or you could bring a welder in and have him weld it up.
Yes, sir.
That is awesome.
Would that take about 2 minutes, 3 minutes?
It's unbelievable. How long do you think it would take to bevel that by hand? And it, like I said, it's not going to be nearly as consistent. You can take a look and see it here. That's awesome innovation. I mean, it's not the newest tool, but it's still effective.
With that saw and that beveler, you can cut and bevel that piece of pipe in about 4 minutes.
And I feel like going from cut to bevel in 4 minutes and smash the like button because it's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you a dime, and it's not like smashing a mirror anywhere else on the planet. Here on the YouTube platform, you'll get 7 years of good luck. With that, I want to say thanks a lot.
Thank you.
We appreciate all of your time and your time. Have a good one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here in the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.